Hey there, speculators. It's Rod, lead futures and options traders, TDG, the Traders Dev Group. We make software and strategies for the active trader. Okay, our extreme turn signals plotting on TradingView. Signals everywhere. Water everywhere. Not a drop to drink. I was an English major. You see what I've done with that? Anyhow, just real quick, taking a look at some of the extreme turns that have happened in all these levels. There's the MES extreme turn, came in around the 2770s, which has been some resistance. Dow Jones around 23,350s. NASDAQ, which was by far the strongest market today as Amazon, Netflix ran a little bit of a muck. This signal has either been a stop out or you are not profitable on this one yet. You can see I traded around, I don't know if you can see that, I traded around it in Tradovate. Oh, which by the way, real quick, I need to come back in here and do a better job of this 250 challenge. So I funded this account with $250 and got it up to about 1,360 and then had a drawdown all the way to 940, and then today took it back up to 1,000. So a little bit more swingy than I'd like, but nice returns with a very, very small account, just trading one micro because that's all we can afford. You can't do much more than that. In fact, you can't really even trade it with 250 anymore. You'd have to have a little bit more money because the margins are still a little elevated from both initial and maintenance margin. But I'm going to be following this a little bit more as well. The Tradovate account, which I'm trading off of a connection to TradingView. You can look for other videos right here on the channel where I've been going a lot more into digging Tradovate and TradingView and the mobile apps and being able to do this all on the go, because I've been tied to thick clients like TradeStation and NinjaTrader for over a decade, so it's nice to have some alternatives here as well. All right, going in now, signal on the Russell, extreme turn on the Russell, gold, extreme turn on gold, up around 1770s. The opposite side, ZB fired in one. Look at this really nice channel. We talked about that here today. All right, so those of you that are already owners of RS Trader, make sure you check your email and go into the portal from time to time so you can find out as we continue to add training to how to use these this software and these indicators as we roll them out to the group. If you're not familiar with this at all, you can check the description and the link below. We got a bunch of different ways you can find out more about Traders Dev Group, including right now offering 10 days in our live pro trading room for just $10. You can find out about that in the description below. And my marketing people tell me, I do have some marketing people now, they tell me I got to do this, which is, hey, if you like this kind of content, please hit the like button, maybe subscribe, as well as the little bell to be reminded when we're broadcasting more content like this, and leave a comment. I do read all the comments below. We're just getting started here. We don't even have 100 subscribers, so you can say you were one of the first here at Futures on Fire or TDG, the Traders Dev Group. All right, we will leave it there for tonight. My name is Rod, again with TDG, reminding you to stay green, trade like you mean it. Thanks.